Promoting your games from your other games is one of the main sources of getting traffic for your new releases. And that's why we've created a simple live cross promotion plugin which reads a JSON from your website about your game's name, Steam URL, and then image to basically show it in your game menus and then be able to ask your users to uh, go there and download your other games. As you can see, the buttons are shown here, and we've created multiple different UI types. So for example, we have the horizontal one, we also have vertical one, we have a grid based one. All of them are available in the sample. You just need to like, there is one single component that it automatically downloads and you override its events. And when the cross promo data is ready, we simply create a UI from those that we've already created. Let's choose the vertical one, for example. And then you can display the data in your game basically. And we have different ways, different types of them. Also, what you should note that the images and the JSON should be uploaded in a server, and this component gets that data. Basically, here it asks for a URL when you add it to your actor, and it asks if it should automatically download or not. And there is a live cross promo subsystem, which the UI uses to basically get the data. If you look at, for example, this one as an example, it to get the data and the array of games basically, it simply goes to the live subsystem, live cross promo subsystem, and then gets the array of the target array, which is all of the games, and then does a for each and set the button's name and URL based on that, and set its image based on that, and that's it. Uh, in this way, you can release the game and change basically the games that it shows as its options. Uh, and we are going to add to the UI types basically that we have available for you, but you can easily customize the UI and instantiate it whenever you want. And the system's download is completely error proof, and it retries if the download fails for 5 number of times with exponential backoff to not overload your servers. And it has events for failures, so when if after that 5 times it failed, you can basically in the component be like, okay, what should happen if it totally failed, because here I only, when derived from that component, use the events that everything got completed successfully, but you have events for failure too, which you can use basically. And the class that you should inherit from for this component, as you can see here, is just class promo component. So yeah, and that's it.